Don't forget, I'm a Gemini. I have two personalities. So, ang personality ni Stel is the one you love and the one that you really, 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 really love.
How did he know? How did he know? I feel so seen.
Pero yan.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Forever Here. I hope that you are all doing well. Every single time I think I'm caught up with SB19 contents, they drop an absolute bomb on me. I'm going to make a real conscious effort to get back up to speed. Please, it felt really good when this was all under control, and now it's a complete mess. I don't like mess. Excuse me, I'm a bit of a neat freak, but I'm really looking forward to this. So let's go back 10 days ago when Stel released his EP. How exciting! And he did a TikTok live and an IG live. So I only planned to sit and watch this at the moment. I thought, oh yeah, this. And then I looked at it and I thought, part one? And I was like, why is it part one? And it's because he did a TikTok live and then straight after he jumped over to IG. And I thought, there is no way that 18 have already uploaded and subbed part two. Well, I'm wrong. If you were to have a look at the description below, you will see what I am watching today. A huge thank you to the YouTube account that is Estella Presser for uploading both parts of this and for subbing it. And it kind of feels like old times again when we'd watch those really long, extended TikTok lives with Stel. I'm not really sure what he's going to be doing in all of this, but probably talking to us about the EP. I don't think he's going to be teasing any of the songs. I don't think he's going to be giving us spoilers or anything. Answering probably quite a lot of questions, and I'm really excited to spend some time with him. Look at how gorgeous he looks. This colour is just made for him. Do you want to watch this with me, please? Can we watch this together? I really, really want to catch up with everything that he had to say.
And bakit nga ba room yung theme ng live ko ngayon? Well, of course, a lot of you guys know na meron po akong EP drop mamaya. Yay! So yeah, meron akong EP drop mamaya. Yung room EP
That's him releasing some of those nerves.
Mag-drop na mamayang 12 a.m. Saktong 12 midnight. So yan, samahan ko kayong mag-antay.
He sounds a bit nasal.
Ako rin naman excited.
Is he ill?
Di ba, ito nakikita nyo, room yung setup. Naalala nyo ba yung suot ko ito? Not in the mood.
Wasn't that in his very, very
naalala nyo yung first ever vlog ko dito dun sa YouTube channel ko, di ba? Yung first ever vlog ko, yung question and answer, yung bumubunot ako sa fishbowl. Tapos, may nagtanong sa akin doon, may question doon na kung kailan daw ba ako magsusolo. Tapos yung answer ko nung time na yun, sabi ko, hindi pa ako magsusolo kasi di pa ako ready. Tapos ngayon, galing, EP drop na. Nakapag-solo na ako, nag-room na. Tapos may room EP na. So, inulit ko yung suot ko. Hala, share ko lang.
How dare you?
Hindi naman daw.
I mean, we've really been through a massive journey with this boy, and I know that I've done it in a much shorter amount of time, but that doesn't mean that I'm not as connected and attached to everything that he's been through, the human being that he is. And the little touches, do you know, I much prefer this, and I much prefer to support somebody like this that thinks like in depth and just details stuff, okay? Because if this was a big, massive churning out of a brand new artist, I think that it would be a little bit different. But because it's Stel, it's on a slightly smaller scale, it's more personal, and it just feels so good.
So yun lang, sumakto lang, nisuot ko nung first vlog ko, ito. Tapos ngayon naman may EP drop, ito rin suot ko. Para lang consistent.
Don't give me that Gemini smile.
Music kami dito. So, yun. Kaya rin ako nag-live kasi gusto ko kayo samahan na naabangan or antayin
No! Don't lag. I want that room light.
Kasi alam kong excited tayong lahat sa mga track na nandun. So, anong oras na ba? Anong oras ba? 11? Ayan. So, parang meron pa tayong 1 hour. Almost an hour bago mag-drop yung EP. So, mag-usap mula tayo and alamin natin kung ano na yung mga pulso ng Sampayanan, kung ano yung favorite nyo, ano yung favorite song nyo doon sa mga narinig nyong teaser ng song. I'm sure meron na kayong favorite kasi meron ng Room, yung OG, tas merong Room Strip, merong Anino, merong Classic,
I should really listen to the teasers just to see what people were playing with.
Alin doon sa Ahem. Alin doon sa bago na apat, yung favorite nyo so far, kahit teasers pa lang yung napapakinggan nyo. So, malalaman ko yan sa mga comments nyo. And
I
yun,
hope that
hello sa
somebody
7.2
put down that
thousand
my
viewers.
favorite is you.
Kamusta? Sabi dito sa Twitter ni Junebeth, sabi niya, I'm so excited for Classic. I wanna hear the part that he wrote.
Beth, that sounds like a familiar name.
Yes, may sinulat po akong lyrics doon sa Classic. Kasi originally, well, yung Classic kasi, the song is from Max. If you're familiar with Max, the artist na nakasama namin last time, siya yung kumanta ng Let's Get Married in Vegas. Siya. And then after nung nag-meet kami, parang nagkaroon nga siya ng interest of giving me a song, and then Classic nga yung binigay niya sa akin. Tapos it's a full English song, pero na-feel ko lang na parang cute din siya malagyan ng Tagalog kasi meron akong naisip na idea for future purposes na pwedeng mangyari dun sa song. So, kaya ginawan ko siya ng
I'm really sorry for my ugly
Tagalog
face
na
just then.
verse.
What
Yun.
purposes?
So, malalaman nyo pag narinig nyo na. Kaya excited din ako for
What
Classic.
purposes?
Ano pa favorite nyo bukod sa Classic? Hindi ko masabi. Hindi ko masabi naman. It was written by the one and only Maestro, Mr. C, Mr. Ryan Cayabyab. Super excited din ako na marinig niyo yung song kasi
It's a
it's a
huge
different
song.
feeling. It's a different feeling from Anino. Kasi yung Anino, alam ko naman na napakinggan nyo na. Kasi na-perform ko na rin siya sa mga shows namin, sa concert na SB19 and sa concert namin ni Julie. So, I'm sure you have idea na sa Anino, but yeah.
Not really, because that official
Are
track,
you guys
I'm sorry,
excited for
Stell.
the EP?
I am still excited for the EP.
Yes. Same, ako din.
I've been listening to it for 10 days, I'm still freaking
oo, pala, may
excited.
may ibang countries na kinig na sila ng song kasi it's already it's already out sa country nila. Kaya, okay. Shh nang hunash. But yeah, sana na-enjoy nyo yung music and yung songs right now. Grabe ang mga writers ng songs. Yeah, grabe din. Hindi ko rin in-expect. I want to thank everyone na part ng EP na to. Songwriters, yung team, Wanzi, Warner, and mga producers, and then also Max, and other co-producers, and of course, Radkids, Pablo Josue, Wanzi, my friends, family. Sobrang dami kong dapat pasalamatan for this EP. And yeah. Sabi ni Krisen, mapanakit kaya si Di Ko Masabi. Actually, di ko masabi kung mapanakit siya.
It'd be too much of a spoiler if he said that it was.
Malalaman natin mamaya kung mapanakit talaga si Di Ko Masabi.
I think that
Let's see
Diko Masabi
mamaya.
and Anino are very, very
So,
similar
keep
feels in terms of where
your,
those lyrics take you and
comments
the end
or tweets
section of them.
Coming by
But they are
using
totally different songs, obviously.
the hashtag. May hashtag ba? No one's leaving. Yeah, no one leaving. And you can ask questions here sa TikTok, and also you can post questions on X. Yeah, nagbabasa kami dito ngayon ng mga tweets nyo. Yeah. Sabi ni E-Berry, waiting sa Anino, gusto ko lang humiga sa kama, tumulala, makinig sa Anino maghapon habang umiiyak. Grabe naman yung
I
maghapon
do
umiiyak. Baka
every
naman
day.
ka nun.
This is
Maubusan ka
actually
ng tubig
what I
sa
do every
katawan.
day.
Naman, pwede lang pakinggan.
I have a
Iyak
little
ka
pack of
lang
tissues under my
one
pillow.
time, tapos after noon, pakinggan mo na yung ibang songs na upbeat. Yung Room, yung Strip, yung Classic.
No.
Huwag kang buong araw iiyak. Hello po sa
Why?
8.1
It's fun.
viewers. Hi guys. How are you guys? So, sa mga bagong pasok po, kaya ako nag-live kasi meron po akong EP drop mamayang 12 midnight. So, inaabangan po namin sama-sama. If you have time, you can check my Spotify artist account. Just search for Stell. Yeah. Nakikita niyo po yung aking Spotify account. And yung countdown for the EP, Room EP drop. So, pwede natin antayin sabay-sabay. And so far, for now, isang song pa lang yung nandun, which is Room. But mamaya madadagdagan na siya ng ibang kasama because I will be releasing the EP and madadagdagan siya ng 4 new songs. So, yeah. Abangan niyo po yan. Hello sa 8.9 viewers natin. Pasok lang po kayo kung di kayo bored. And type nyo lang po anong item po yung gusto nyo ipa-flex dyan. Meron po tayong small to large na item dito. And kung gusto nyo ba ipa-fit, isi-fit po natin. Okay. So, pag-usapan muna natin kung paano yung naging process ng EP release. Paano yung pagbuo ng mga songs and yung recording. Actually, naging challenging sa akin yung pag-record ng mga songs kasi sobrang daming ginagawa that time and sunod-sunod talaga yung schedule namin. Tapos parang ano pa yun bukod doon, meron kami mga out of town na mga guestings and performances, so hindi namin alam saan masisingit yung recording. And as far as I can remember, parang nag-start kami ng recording pagkabalik ko from US. Tama, di ba? Yan. Pagkabalik ko ng US from tour with Kuya Eric, doon kami nag-start na tawag dito, mag-record ng mga
really
songs for the EP.
Like, not long ago at
medyo
all.
challenging yun for me kasi unang-una, akala ko magkakaroon ako ng jet lag, but buti na lang walang jet lag at all. So, nagtuloy-tuloy yung recording ko. As in, every day meron ako recording and ilang beses ako pabalik-balik ng recording studio sa 1Z recording studio sa Rad Kids, and of course with Warner naman kasi talagang iba't ibang producers and iba't ibang tao yung naka-work ko, so talagang iba-iba. So yung naging process noon is medyo challenging, not only for me but also for the team kasi maraming kasabay na schedule, and of course hindi lang naman ako yung artist ng 1Z, so yung mga tao and yung team is nahahati din, kaya medyo challenging siya for everyone, but nagawa naman ng paraan and naging smooth naman lahat. And yun, sabi naman ni Grace, sa anong EP ka pinaka
Oh. Hurry.
nahirapan kantahin? Oh, nice question. Pinaka nahirapan ako kantahin yung Di Ko Masabi kasi sobrang challenging kasi nung song, and parang pag napakinggan nyo yung song mamaya, sabihin nyo kung ako lang ba or yung song talaga ay nakakahingal dahil wala talagang part kung saan ako pwedeng huminga habang kinakanta ko yung song. Sobrang grabe ka, Mr. C. Grabe, Mr. C. Pero I love the song, I really love it, I like the song, sobrang excited ako ma-perform siya, and sana pag napakinggan nyo magustuhan nyo din, and ayun, sana makita ko rin yung mga entries nyo na kinakanta nyo yung song.
Oh my gosh. I need to check out what people have been doing as well. That is a really crazy song to attempt.
So, ano pang question nyo? Sobrang excited ako sa EP na to. Mamaya meron din ako sasabihin something about Di Ko Masabi. Kasi ngayon hindi ko siya masabi kaya mamaya na lang. So, with Anino naman, alam ko napapansin ng iba, like yung pinerform ko sa pagtatag finale and yung pinerform ko sa concert namin ni Julie is different arrangement sa narinig nyo. Kasi yung sa finale, medyo higher key pa yun.
Oh, well, I haven't seen the performance from the concert, Julie and his concert, so I don't know.
Yung ginawa namin, but with this one, yung arrangement namin for this EP, binaba namin yung key. Kasi bukod sa mataas na nga siyang kantahin, nagre-request din yung mga tao na babaan ko daw para makover nila. So naisip ko na baka nga maganda nga kung ibaba siya para mas ma-deliver ko rin siya ng maayos and mas may emotions. Kaya naisip namin ni Pablo na ibaba yung key para magkaroon siya ng ibang feeling, magkaroon ng ibang pakiramdam, and magkaroon ng ibang story yung song. So yun. Kaya nakita ko yung mga tweets nyo na parang bumaba yung key ni Anino. Totoo po yun. Binaba namin yung key. So yun. Sample lang sound ni Mr. C. Huwag na. Kasi malalaman nyo agad din. Dapat mamaya na lang. Okay. May question si Mia_18. memorable or funny story nung nag-record ka? Alam mo yung pinaka-challenge sa akin during recording nung buong EP, nagkakasakit ako. Like, nagre-record ako na
Oh, it's just the most frustrating thing.
parang
He had so much under
nag-start
me.
mamuo yung
So many schedules.
sipon, parang gano'n. So, parang pagka nagre-record ako,
Oh,
nagkakasipon ako, di ko alam bakit, kahit wala na yung aircon dun sa recording. So, may isang time na na-cancel yung recording namin ni Pablo kasi talagang tunog muffled na yung boses ko
oh
kasi
no.
parang sinisipon na ako. So, hindi muna namin tinuloy. Rest muna ako for a day. Then, bumalik ako nung okay na. Tinapos namin. Same with Di Ko Masabi nung nire-record namin yun with Mr. C. Talagang ganun kinakabahan ako na baka same problem yung sa sipon like that. Pero okay naman. Nagawa naman ng paraan. So, lumabot naman. Sabi ni Lee_GRC, susi ng room, excited me sa room strip kasi mas maririnig ang vocals mo. Iba ang vibes.
Yeah.
Well, actually, excited din ako for room strip kasi iba rin yung arrangement niya, din yung sounding niya. It's totally different from the OG room kasi nga strip nga siya. Like, pag sinabi kasing strip, like, yung original instruments niya from the OG, mawawala, isi-strip down talaga, tatanggalin para lang mas marinig yung vocals and yung music, yung lyrics talaga yung papakinggan. So,
I still didn't
maganda
expect the
siya.
strip
Excited
version
din
to
ako
sound
dun.
as it does.
Sabi rin
Straight
ni
grand.
Rabbit ni Stel
Even though it's
16,
supposed to be
request ka
stripped.
ng una.
Maybe it's just his voice.
Request ka ng una kong mag-request ako sa'yo kung anong gusto mong unang pakinggan. Sa EP. Ano ba magandang unang pakinggan sa EP? Lahat kasi maganda pakinggan eh. Sundin mo yung kung paano siya naka-arrange dun sa EP yung 5 songs. Pakinggan mo siya ng sunod-sunod. Kasi, I guess, kaya ganun din yung arrangement niya kasi, siya, may message. Hindi, tama ba? Siya, tawag doon? Mas, yung feelings mo, hindi siya yung malungkot, masaya, malungkot. Parang basta, makinig ka sa akin, maniwala ka sa akin. Trust me. Sundin mo yung arrangement ng songs doon sa EP.
Yeah,
para
I think it
mag-gets
totally
mo yung
makes
sinasabi
sense.
ko. Okay. I know you guys are excited. Ako din naman. So, inaantay natin yung 12. Okay. Sabi ni Sheila, ano yung songs sa EP na may MV? Good question. Ayoko lang magsalita ng sobra-sobra dahil baka pagalitan ako dito. But yeah, yung sinasabi ko about Di Ko Masabi is, actually si Di Ko Masabi, merong music video. Yun, merong music video si Di Ko Masabi. At, syempre excited kayo malaman kung kailan ipopost yung MV. Pero sabihin ko muna, well, with Di Ko Masabi, super excited ako kasi parang, nagkaroon kami ng idea na gumawa ng music video kasi nga maganda yung song. Well, lahat naman maganda.
Yeah.
And so for now,
I do
sasabihin ko
wish
si
for
Di Ko
Nino to have a
Masabi lang
music
muna
video
yung may music
or like a
video.
live
Kasi
version, something, I
for
don't know.
now, quote-unquote, for now, si Di Ko Masabi lang muna yung may music video. Kasi super excited kami sa music video na nagawa namin for Di Ko Masabi. And I'm sure, excited din kayo for Di Ko Masabi. Bukod sa mapakinggan siya, excited din kayo dun sa story na nagawa namin for the music video. So, tama po yung narinig nyo, Di Ko Masabi ay may music video at ipopost po namin ito sa August 17, 7 p.m. August 17, 7 p.m. I-release po namin yung Di Ko Masabi music video.
That's a Saturday, isn't it? That's quite
Super
different.
exciting.
I think it's a Saturday.
Yeah, yung music video na yun. Kasi di ba nakita niyo yung concept photos yesterday?
This Saturday?
playground. Actually, yun na yun.
That is
Yun na
this
yung
Saturday.
Sinot namin yung music video and
Wow.
excited lang ako kasi maganda yung story, maganda yung basta, saya. Nung shoot namin, sobrang smooth lang.
Oh, good.
Sobrang ganda, sobrang saya. Hindi kami nag-expect ng anything dun sa music video. Pero nung nakita namin yung mga shots, nung nakita namin kung paano namin na-execute, grabe, super exciting. Super
I'm so
exciting.
excited.
Ang saya. So, sana ma-excite kayo. Mukhang friend zone. Let's see. Tingnan natin kung friend zone ba talaga ang mangyayari sa music video. Di ko masabi, but di ko masabi. So, yeah. Sana abangan nyo po sa August 17 yung music video na di ko masabi. Ano pang mga questions nyo? Hello po sa 7.9k viewers. Kuya Stel, sabi ni LOML ni Ja. Ano yun? Love of my
Love of
life.
my life.
Love of my life ni Ja. Sabi ni Love of my life ni Ja. Kuya Stel, ano naman pinakamadali sa'yo kantahin? Pinakamadali? Instrumental. Siguro yung pinakamadali, yung pinaka feel good na song for me na perform lang siguro, yung classic. Kasi iba yung feeling niya. Naku, pag narinig niyo yung classic, magiging favorite niya rin talaga. Sobrang chill ni classic i-perform.
Yeah.
Kantahin, pero alam mo yun, sobrang gaan sa feeling, sobrang saya.
It's a really
siguro
different mood.
si classic yung sagot ko. Naku, excited ako mapakinggan niyo yung mga songs sa EP. As in,
I bet he
sobrang
didn't sleep
excited
at all
ako.
this night.
Sana kayo din. Sabi ni Thea ni Olba, is there a particular song on the album that has a special meaning to you? Reveal naman. Parang reveal daw, please. Special meaning... well, actually, lahat naman talaga is maganda. But if I'm going to choose, meron akong... May ang hirap. Well, ano lang, iba lang yung feeling ko with classic kasi nga nagsulat ako ng maikling verse doon na Tagalog, which I'm very nervous din kung anong magiging reaction nyo doon sa Tagalog lyrics na nilagay ko. So, kasi ang napagtanungan ko lang naman ng lyrics na ginawa ko is si Justin, and actually hindi ko nga siya napacheck kay Pablo kasi nahihiya ako, but naparinig ko siya kay Justin and sa ibang 1Z team, so hindi ko sure kung maganda pa siya pakinggan, so kayo na po humusga, and kung ano yung pinaka magiging comment nyo, I'm very willing to listen. Kasi ako wala talaga akong any background when it comes to
but it is in
music
your blood.
making or songwriting. So, naglakas loob lang ako magsulat. So, kung meron kayong mako-comment or kung meron kayong constructive comment about the way I write the lyric on the verse, feel free to comment or to tweet or just tag me, gano'n. Babasahin ko po, and okay lang sa akin kahit ano pa. Basta super excited and kinakabahan ako dun sa lyrics na nilagay ko dun sa
I mean, he's just
second verse ng
ridiculously down to earth and humble, isn't
I
he?
just felt na gano'n lang yung dapat kong ilagay. Just yun yung na-feel ko, but yeah.
Oh, I love it. Like, to have the guts to
My physical
make that
album
change
ba
anyway
and merch
is
for
just really
Doom
great.
EP.
Like, he obviously has that vision.
Yan kayo, excited
And I really love the
kayo when
lyrics
it comes to
too.
merch. Well, pinaplano naman lahat kasi parang for me, maganda rin naman na may merch para may isang bagay or may something na maaalala ng fans ng 80
Will it be available for
na
international
super
80?
memorable to for me. It's a milestone for me na nag-release ako ng first EP, and syempre magandang may parang memorabilia, parang gano'n. So, magandang may merch. Yeah. Hello po, sana okay lang kayo. Huwag niyo napansinin kung medyo nangungungo ako ngayon kasi actually, kakagaling ko lang din sa sakit because after nung concert namin ni Julie, parang biglang doon ako nagkasakit. But I'm okay na, I'm doing great. So next is
He
Yun na pala
needs to
yun.
top up on those vitamins and stuff, right?
Nasabi ko na pala lahat. Oh yeah, magkakaroon din pala ako na, of course, sa pag-release ng EP, magkakaroon din ako ng nationwide tour. So, pupunta po ako sa Davao, Cebu. Tama ba? Cagayan de Oro? Tama. Pupunta ako ng Davao, Cebu, Cagayan de Oro, and Taguig. So, 4 shows yon. That's every Saturday of the month. This August. So, every Saturday may show ako to promote the EP,
Such a great
Room
idea.
EP. So, see you
And it's free
everyone
to go
sa
and see
room
him,
tour
right? Unless you
sa
obviously get
Davao
the special
on
passes
August
or
3.
something.
Sa
But
Cebu
you
naman
can pretty
on
much just
August
see him
10.
for free.
And
It's just such a
sa CDO
great
naman on
idea.
August 17, nakasabay ng release ng music video na Di Ko Masabi. And last po, sa Taguig on August 24. Lahat ng Ayala Malls. Tama. So, yun. Magkita-kita po tayo if you're not busy. Yeah. So, pupunta po ako doon to promote the EP, of course, to perform the songs and para makipag-bonding sa inyo, makipagkwentuhan. So,
And to spread lots of
Yun.
love.
and let's see kung meron pang mga next ganaps after that. Kasi parang ang daming nangyayari lately. So yeah. Yun yung mangyayari sa nationwide tour. Sana makita ko po kayo. If you're not busy, you can go and watch the show. So ano pa mga questions nyo? Nag-aaral ako, ba't ka nag-live? Ay, pasensya na. Si Jabo yung director na Di Ko Masabi. Actually, hindi. Pinagpahinga ko muna si Direct Jack kasi parang lately ang dami niya lang dine-direct na mga music video para hindi siya ma-overwhelm din, para hindi siya mapagod. So, ayun, posted na rin po pala ngayon ang Di Ko Masabi music video poster. So, you can check that out. Check nyo po sa aking account sa X and Facebook. Meron po akong music video for Di Ko Masabi that will be posted on August 17. And comment kayo kung anong tingin nyo and what do you think about the picture. Sino kaya yon? Sino kaya? And ano kaya ang magiging story ng buhay ko doon?
I'm so freaking excited about the music video. It's everything that I have ever wanted. I just want
Sabi
to
ni
see him in acting
Manstella,
mode and like,
pinili ka ba
just
sa Di Ko
everything.
Masabi MV Stel? Di ko masabi. Kasi antayin natin yung August 17 kung anong nangyari sa kapalaran doon nung character. Hindi ko kasi masabi ngayon kasi mahirap na yun.
what if? Okay, we know the gist of the song. We know what happens in the song. What if the song finishes, but the storytelling part of the music video continues, and we go to blackout, but then again, everything comes back to light, back on our screens, and he does say how he feels. What if he gives us a spin on what we think the song and the music video is all going to be about? What if he gets his happy ending? What then? I'll
mahirap na
try
ma-spoil.
either way.
Basta abangan nyo ang music video kasi excited kaming lahat. But yeah, ayoko kayong pangunahan. Hello po sa 8.3 natin na viewers. Hi, how are you guys? Nami-miss nyo na ba ako magluto ng mga pagkain?
Yes.
At gumawa ng tanghulo.
Miss you so
Kasi
much.
medyo, ngayon iba na yung live natin, medyo seryoso, no? Dati pag nagla-live ako, puro kalokohan lang. Tapos ngayon, ang seryoso na nung topic, puro na, trabaho. Puro na.
We get it.
Pagiging artist, ang seryoso, no? Di kayo sanay, no? Sige, next time, pagka may time, pag medyo gumaling-galing na, na
Yes, please. It's been ages.
naman tayo. Random live lang. Okay, another question from Philip. Sino naging inspiration mo while creating this EP? naging inspiration, ang hirap naman sagutin nun. Kasi, ever since naman, nung nag-start ako as SB19, ang naging inspiration naman talaga is, of course, my family, my friends, myself. But now, syempre kasama na kayo sa picture kasi kayo naman talaga yung like sumusupport sa amin like all the way. Kayo sumusupport sa amin like on everything that we do. So parang syempre,
Sweet.
naging kayo na rin yung inspiration.
And that's
Parang
how to say all the
alam
right
niyo na rin
things.
kasi yung parang benchmark ng mga bagay-bagay ngayon na lumalabas sa mga artist. And alam kong mahirap na rin kayong i-please. But of course, hindi naman dapat iniisip na maging people pleaser. But yeah, parang ano lang. Syempre, kayo inspirasyon. Isa na kayo doon kasi gusto namin na paparamdam namin sa inyo na yung ginagawa namin is not only because para mapafeel namin na may pinapatunayan kami, but also gusto namin kasama kayo sa kwento nung mga ginagawa
We get
namin.
it,
Like,
like they're-
mafe-feel nyo or
they are
matatouch
their
kayo or may
own
message kaming
competition.
mapaparating na we know how you feel. Parang ganun. So, yun.
And they want us to openly be proud of them,
Di
which
kami
people
sanay
always
na di ka
do.
kumakain sa live. Okay, iinom na lang ako. Paano mo naalagaan boses mo sa daming ganap?
Yeah.
Tulog is the key. Kailangan mo matulog, tsaka more fluids, water, gano'n. May cardio ba ang classic? Let's see.
I do think if we get
Sabi
something
ni
else from
Yana,
the EP, it probably will be something classic related, just because it's such a contrast to, obviously, Room. That was a while ago
niya
now.
yung photo
Yuko
nung-
Masabi, and then I think
Di ko
classic
masabi,
probably.
poster. Sabi niya, wala pa MV pero parang ang lakas na ng spark ng height difference nilang dalawa. Oh, may mga ganun na kayong nalalaman na.
Does the height difference cause a spark?
Talaga ba?
Is that
Dahil sa
true?
height may spark?
Tell me the thinking behind this theory.
So, anong feeling nyo? Mag-comment ka kayo kung anong nafe-feel nyo dun sa music video. Anong hinala nyo? Anong hinala nyo sa music video?
I think that it's just gonna break our hearts, but also potentially mend them at the end. We're gonna see
What do you
actor
think
Stell,
about the music video? Ano kaya magiging storyline? Or
childhood sweethearts is what it looks like. But also somebody did say siblings.
sabi ni Noodle at Stellan_Pogi, sabi niya, si Snow
Is she
yan,
Snow?
Kimi. Si Snow ng W3, hindi.
Oh,
Forget kinuha ko si Ira. Iisa-isahin ko na yung yung W3. Di ka nagtapat to save the friendship. Wow, grabe, lalim ha. Siguro ginawa mo na yun. Okay, sabi ni Caitlin Makawi. Caitlin Makawili. Makawili pala. Teka lang, may in love or iiyak ba kami? Actually, itutulog niyo yung music video.
Yeah,
Pag
right.
napanood niyo yung music video, sabi niyo, tulog na lang ako. Parang sana natulog na lang ako. Parang ganun.
is it that heartbreaking? Oh wow.
Sa makabilang buhay si girl. Grabe naman! Grabe naman niya sa makabilang buhay.
Somebody
feeling ko
did say
mananakit
that
ka.
on X.
Grabe.
That she looked
Sa bagay.
like a ghost.
Ayan,
Can you imagine if that's what the storyline is?
niya yun. Tingin
That
niya
is
naman.
going
Magkaroon
to
kayo
be
dyan.
so heartbreaking. I want it all though. I want something really, really dramatic.
Sabi-
Come back. Stell. Come back.
Sabi ko nga anong tingin niyo eh. Anong song sa EP ang pinaka na-enjoy mo? Actually, lahat talaga. Sobra. Habang nire-record ko yung mga song sa EP, sobrang nag-enjoy ako. Super excited ako for you guys to hear the songs. Ano pang mga nila? Comments or tweets nila about naging kayo pero nawala. Feeling ko medyo torpe ka doon tapos naunahan ka magtapat ng girl kasi feeling is mutual pala. Ay grabe, ang ganda rin nun ha, pwede yun. Ghosting ka doon kasi it's
What if
mo
we're
1 to 10 yung
hearing
bawat song. Sabi ni
the
Toberry at
story
Stelberry
from his
Rate mo
voice,
1 to 10
obviously,
yung...
but it's actually her?
Ano sabi? Bawat songs. Oh my God, ang hirap na ito.
What
So,
if
syempre
it's her story? She just couldn't confess to him.
Ano ba? From 1 to 10, 9. 9, okay. Tapos si Room Strip, bibigyan ko siya ng 8. Tapos si Anino, hirap naman na ito. Si Anino, bibigyan ko siya ng hirap naman. Si Anino, bibigyan ko siya ng 10. Si Anino, bibigyan ko ng 10. Si Di Ko Masabi, bibigyan ko ng 10. Si Classic, bibigyan ko ng 8. Ano pa yung isa? Room Strip, Di Ko Masabi, Anino, Classic. Ako, tapos na pala. Sabi ni Ruby, at Ruby_Berry23, na-consider mo rin ba mag-direct ng MV still? Pwede naman, pero kasi parang ang dami ko na kasing ginagawa lately, ang dami kong iniisip, so parang hindi ko na kaya mag-isip. Pwede lang ako mag-suggest ng mga naiisip ko, which nangyayari naman, always, pero yun. Actually, 10 lahat. Totoo ka dyan, 10 lahat. Mahilig lang talaga ako sa ballad songs. Kaya 10 yung mga ballad? Kaya 10 yung mga ballad songs. Feeling ko yung MV, di kayo magkakatuluyan kasi walang forever. Marami ka naman, era at 18 era _ walang forever. Anong pinagdaanan mo before para masabi mo walang forever? Feeling ko, I don't know, di ka umamin sa crush mo, natakot ka. Wow, dami may gusto ng Anino Tsaka Di Ko Masabi.
Amazing, that's why.
Mga Pinoy talaga mahilig sa ballad, no? Same ba ang story ng Kaibigan at Di Ko Masabi? Hindi. Dapat iba, syempre.
Yeah, they would have made sure that it's different. That's why I'm thinking. I don't think it's necessarily what we're thinking it is. I think it could be a sibling thing, or it could be she's
Sabi
dead.
ni Aika Delphine, anong song sa EP yung
And
gusto
he lives
mong
in
unang
regret.
iparinig namin if introduce namin si Stel sa iba? Ooh. Feeling ko, pag gusto nyo akong iparinig sa iba, unahin nyo parinig yung mga ballad, Anino or Di Ko Masabi. Yun, yung dalawang yun, parinig nyo.
Okay.
Ito pa, may isa pa. Sabi ni Hazelnut at Hazel Joyce, Stel, di mo masabi, so si girl ang nagsabi. True? True? Pwede rin yun.
I can't
Di
tell
ko
from his
masabi.
face.
Pwede rin yun.
He's really annoying.
Si Ja ba nag-direct? Hindi pa. Pinagpahinga ko muna si Ja. Oh, kala mo naman talaga. Pinagpahinga muna si Ja. Feeling ko malaki age gap sa Di Ko Masabi. Ano? Grabe naman yun. Porket magkaiba lang yung height namin, magkaiba na rin yung age
I don't
gap.
think there's an age gap.
Ayan. So, anong oras na ba? Time check, it's already 11:27. Mag-end tayo ng saktong 11:30. Mag-end tayo ng saktong 11:30. Pero, lilipat po tayo sa IG. Sa IG naman tayo maghahasik ng lagim.
Spread terror.
Magla-live po tayo sa IG. So,
I love him so much.
11:30, mag-end na po ako dito ng live
Too
sa
much.
TikTok. May nagtanong, magkakaroon daw ba ng physical CD? Tama ba? Physical CD? Physical album? Let's see. Let's see. Di mo na ako magsasalita para less mistake. Less talk, less mistake. How about merch? Yun. Let's see. Less talk, less mistake. Ayoko mo na
I'm gonna
magsabi.
say that
Kasi
to
mamaya
stop
magkamali
now.
ako eh. Okay guys, so after mag-end po ako by 11:30. Lilipat po ako sa IG. But please continue. Please continue tweeting the hashtag
Please go and take
not
some medicine.
leaving the Stel room. So use the hashtag not leaving the Stel room. Dahil after ko po dito sa TikTok, lilipat lang po ako sa IG. Doon naman po tayo mag-uusap. So yeah. Oo nga, parang ang saya sana makipag-collab ngayon sa mga naka-live na TikTok friends natin. Pero, ang hirap eh. Babasahin mo lahat ng tweets. Babasahin ko lahat ng tweets. Okay, sige. Magbabasa tayo ng tweets. Asa na yan? Mamaya sa IG. Siyempre, I'm just joking, you guys. You guys are so serious. So, yeah. Uy, may nagdadrama. Miss ko na siya. Tapos naka-sad face. Watching from Germany. Hi. So yeah, mag-end po tayo ng 11:30 tapos ilipat po tayo sa IG. Doon po tayo mag-usap para naman mabuhay yung IG account ko. Kasi parang yung IG ko nandun lang ako to post eh. Wala na akong interaction with
Yeah,
you.
rude.
Post, IG story.
You guys have also forgotten
So
about
yeah,
your
again,
broadcast
thank
channel.
you guys for joining this TikTok live and yeah, I know excited na rin kayo sa drop ng EP. So same, ako rin naman. Kaya sabay-sabay natin antayin ang drop ng Stell Room EP sa inyong mga favorite streaming platforms. Sa inyong mga favorite music
Oh, this
streaming
poor
platforms.
baby
Sabay-sabay
is
po natin
ill.
abangan
He
ang
is
Room EP.
unwell.
Mamaya
Somebody
12
get
midnight.
what do you call it? A
again, thank you guys.
humidifier on in
This
there.
is Stell and lilipat lang po ako sa IG. Kita-kits po tayo doon. Bye-bye!
I don't know why I'm waving.
See you! Thank you po sa mga nagsisend ng gifts and stickers.
Cutie. Okay,
Thank you,
we
guys.
are going to move over to the next part of this video, but I didn't realize he was this unwell. I feel like it does catch up with him, and the team is fantastic, and they make sure to give him enough breaks and stuff. But I just think he's at that moment where everything is coming for him. So you just can't avoid this sort of stuff. I'm just praying, like, health above everything, that he's taking care of himself, and I'm sure that he is. He's been out on the road again, visiting the various cities for his live performances, and he seems to be doing a lot better anyway. And long may that continue. I do hope that, again, before SB19 group activities commence, the boys get another little mini short break in the middle. It'd be really nice for them to just get a little breather, and I'm sure that they will, because they'll have to kind of go back into hiding to, I don't know, rebrand their looks. But it seems really difficult, because I think, wasn't it Jar that said that we are to expect group activities from September onwards? But I'm thinking, how? Because we are so much in the swing of all of their solo stuff. Like, how are they going to do it? It's going to be one hell of a ride. They really threw everything at us this year, didn't they? So much fun. Yes, let's move over to part 2. He's got his little feetie out. And once again, a huge thank you to Estella Pressa for uploading both of these videos and for subbing them. The links are
Hi,
in the
guys.
description below. I love you.
Welcome to my IG live.
I really, really, really want that room light.
Sana di
Maybe
ka
even
naman
like a
nakit.
miniature
Kasi si
version
Jan
of
na
it.
nakit na sa kaibigan. Tapos ikaw din. Tama na yan. May nagagalit na sa atin.
It's true though.
Puro na tayo pananakit. Hi guys!
It's so true.
So sa mga first timer po dito sa aking live sa IG, well, galing po ako sa TikTok. Doon po ako nag-live. And bakit ako nagla-live?
Yeah, why?
Bakit ako nagla-live? Kasi
Why?
mamayang 12 midnight po, I will be dropping my first ever EP, Room. Yeah. Mamayang 12 midnight po.
Can you
lalabas
imagine
na
in
ang
like
aking
years
EP na
and years to
Room.
come, we'll look back and see little baby Stell
nag-live
talking
lang
to us
ako
about
para
his
makasama
debut
kayo.
EP.
Especially sa mga
It's gonna be
nag-aabang.
such cute
Tapos wala
memories.
nang magawa. Yeah. Uy, nanonood yung 4 tenors.
Oh,
Hi, 4 tenors. How are you guys? Thank you pala for joining me and Julian last concert. Thank you, 4 tenors. Love you. So, galing po ako kanina galing ako sa TikTok. Doon ako nag-live. And now, dito naman sa IG kasi I feel like pag nandito ako sa IG, puro na lang ako post and IG story. Parang wala na ako masyadong interaction with everyone. Bihira lang din naman ako mag-comment and reply. So, yeah. For the EP, mamaya na i-drop ko 12 midnight, merong 4 new songs, which is the Room strip version, and then Anino na sinulat ni Pablo Radkeds produced, and Classic na sinulat ni Max and co-produced by many great artists. And last
and
one is
co-written by you,
Di
excuse
Ko
me.
Masabi, written by the one and only Maestro Mr. Ryan Cayabyab. So, I'm super excited na marinig nyo yung EP mamaya. So,
Did you just say all of that in English? Or did I just
yeah,
understand all of that
sana
without
po
reading the
abangan nyo
subtitles?
and pakinggan nyo
Sometimes I get really confused.
sa
I'm like,
inyong mga
do I now
favorite
suddenly understand
music
it?
streaming platforms. So, yeah. Okay, so, kanina di ba nagtatanong ako kung ano yung tingin nyo dun sa music video based dun sa poster na pinost namin. So, ngayon magbabasa tayo. Sabi ni Ivy at Colin on SVA. Just noticed, but is the sunflower style is holding from the girl? Kung yung sunflower daw ba na hawak ko dun sa playground is yung sunflower daw ba? Actually, maraming tanim na sunflower, so iba-iba. Nag-live pala ang hari ng OA. Ay, grabe kayo. Grabe kayo. And, tulad nga na sinabi ko kanina, yung song na Di Ko Masabi ay magkakaroon na music video na ito-drop namin sa August 17, 7 p.m. Super excited din ako sa music video.
We are. I
Sana
can't believe it's this Saturday.
Abangan nyo. Anong story ng full album mo? Or like, interconnected ba lahat ng songs? Well, actually, the EP, ang pinaka-story lang niya is yung mga bagay na na-experience ko as Stel or mga bagay na mga dumating na blessings. Like, for example, yung Room and Anino, yun yung first song na nasulat sa akin as a solo artist nila Pablo. And then with Classic naman, yun yung time na nagkaroon na ako ng sarili kong opportunity to travel alone, to do tours. Dahil nga nabigyan ako ng opportunity to perform with Kuya Eric Santos nung tour niya. And nag-open din yun ng more doors for me to, collaborate with other artists like Max. So parang representation lang siya na parang with those kinds of opportunities, nagkakaroon din ako ng ganong klaseng blessings like having that song from Max. And then, hindi ko masabi naman, of course, yung mga opportunities ko naman here sa Philippines na katulad nun working with Mr. C, working with
That's
Mr.
a really
Julio
interesting way of
Campo,
connecting the songs,
and
because
working with,
it's really a reflection of how many opportunities he
with
got
other
and how many
artists
people
na mga
thought of him and wanted to
other
connect
artists
with
na
him.
mga nakakollab namin. And of course, working with Sir David Foster. So parang napakadaming blessings. So parang
So many.
yung buong EP ini-encapsulate niya yung
It's so
mga
cute because
naging
part of those blessings are
experience ko
working with Pablo
as
and
an
Rad
artist,
Kids.
opportunities and everything. So
Don't do this to me.
and yung Room strip, ano siya,
Oh, cool. That's a really good
record siya
shout.
ni Warner. Parang sabi, maganda kapag nag-release kami na strip version ng Room, which I love yung sound and yung approach ng arrangement. So, yeah, super excited with Room strip.
That is really interesting to know because it actually makes me feel really excited because they are reviewing the work of Pablo of Rad Kids, and isn't it just really exciting when stuff like that comes together? Because obviously for his other songs he was going to be working with Warner and their contacts and their producers, etc. But just the fact that Pablo and Rad Kids work and Josue's work past their table and they really paid attention to it and thought that it was so good and then gave feedback on where they could go with it like that, it just makes me feel really excited because they're all standing shoulder to shoulder and whatever work comes out from all the different companies, I'm sure it's amazing. I'm only exposed to a certain number of them, but I will tell you that Pablo is really one of a kind and Rad Kids are really, really one of a kind, and I think that all of that plays a huge part in loving SB19. Like, I don't know if I would have loved SB19 if they were a manufactured group, but the fact that they had a composer, a producer, a lyricist like Pablo and then Rad Kids, like, I think that it just it brings so much depth, emotion, relatability to everything that they have released, and yeah, just the idea of that happening is so exciting.
Then, my next kid pa ba ng tour after this month? Baka after August, wala na. Kasi we are planning on focusing na
He's checking.
ulit.
Can I say
sa
it?
group. Muntik na ako may masober. Yeah, but August
What?
will be my last na to promote my solo kasi but of course if the schedule is open
I'm so
we can
excited.
accept pa ng mga ganap, but for September onwards it will be just for SB19.
Can my
So,
LSB hurry up and get here, please?
yeah. Kaya medyo sinasagad na rin namin yung mga free time namin and yung mga vacant time to promote our solos kasi we will be focusing na on SB19 after doing our solos. So yeah, after the tour, yun na po yun.
And it's just
Let's see na lang
crazy.
kung ano pa.
How is
Let
anything going to be better than
everything
Pagtatag?
happen na lang.
How?
Okay. Another question from Kay Ahero. Wow, kapelido ko. Iniwan niya si Stel ng kalaro niya. Kinuha niya kasi yung sunflower. Ay, ginawa mo pa akong malikot yung kamay. And then, what's that? Ano yan? Galing ah. From Meng007, Mengguy37, Playground Playful, ending na paglaruan lang yung feelings. Aray! Grabe ka naman! Experience mo ba yan? Joke. From Shay at Shaynen Apo. Sa YT Music ilalabas, mapapakinggan din ba yung mga songs mo? Yes. Yes. Sa lahat ng inyong mga favorite music streaming platform, mapapanood nyo mapapakinggan nyo ang aking songs. Yeah. Kaya ko pa ba? From Rose for Stel, sabi niya, what if quote-unquote, di ko masabi, it's about couple na masaya naman talaga nung una, but they fall out of love. Hindi na nila masabi sa isa't isa because they got used to being together. Oy, grabe! Alam mo, ang galing nyo Ang galing nyo sa mga ganyan. Pwede rin yun. Pwede rin.
Was that a bit of a
Sakit nun,
spoiler?
para ang hirap. Yan yung isa sa mga siguro pinakamahirap na pakiramdam. Yung
I feel like his face said a lot just then.
papakiramdaman na lang kayo kung sino yung unang mag-give up or yung sino yung unang susuko sa relationship. Oh, grabe naman. Huwag naman ganun, guys. Huwag naman ganun. Sabi ni Longs ni Stel, sino siya? Charot. Bakit baka kang galit?
No one's
May
upset.
kilala nyo rin siya soon. May kilala nyo siya. Siyempre. And, ang masasabi ko lang about her, sobrang saya niya kasama. Sobrang gaan niya katrabaho and sobrang professional. So, naging smooth
I can't
ang
wait for the
trabaho
vlog
with
behind
her.
the scenes.
Kaya sobrang na-enjoy ko din.
The music video isn't even out
Okay.
yet.
From Make Room for Stel at Stel Bray. Friends to lovers to strangers ba to? Let's see. Di ko masabi. Siguro from friends to lovers to strangers to QC to UP to kalsada ng BGC. Feeling ko ganun. Talon.
Oh my
From
lord.
Hey Dayan at Hey Dayan 17. Stel, sunflower signifies
I feel like I should be
happiness.
looking at these photographs
You
as he's
do and
talking.
give everything for that person, even sacrificing your
I think
own
it's quite a
happiness. Talaga? Yan ba ang
song like
ibig
that.
sabihin ng
Like to
sunflower?
sacrifice your happiness for someone
Ooh.
else. Like, so not to ruin what you've got.
Yung pala ibig sabihin ng sunflower.
Why can't I find Stel? He should be on speed dial.
Are you collabing with Maki? No! Kinanta ko lang yung song niya eh.
I need to look at those
What
photos.
if na-fall pero walang label?
Huh?
Depende yun. Kung na-fall ka, sinabi mo
Oh,
ba sa
okay.
kanya? Kasi kung di mo sinabi, for sure, walang label talaga. Pero kung haamin ka, nasa sa inyo na yun kung lalagyan nyo ng label.
Wow, it's really complicated, isn't it?
Sabi ni May Dakila at May, parang hirap masahe ano. Stel, pwede din ba isa sa mga fan mo naman kasama mo sa susunod na MV mo?
Oh,
pwede
but
naman.
please.
Why not? Walang masama. Basta libre kayo eh. Basta free yung, libre yung time nyo.
The jealousy of everyone else, though.
Nagko-comment si Miko.
That would be
Sabi ni
super cute,
Miko, Miko Del Rosario, fan ka ba ni Zach Tabudlo? Oo naman. Bro, alam ko nga ikaw yun ni bro eh. Pag nakikita kita bro, natutuwa ako eh. Kasi parang kasama ko na rin si Zach. Oo naman, fan na fan ako nun ni Zach. Super.
I don't know, the mood of this
Tas
music
lalo
video
na
is very
pagkasama
different.
kita, nako, grabe. Hindi ko maramdaman yung pakaramdam bro. Parang kasama ko si Zach Tabudlo. What time is it? Uy, 11:45. 15 minutes na lang, guys. 15 minutes left! Mapapakinggan nyo na yung songs na prepare namin for this EP. My
It's
only
definitely him, like,
recommendation
mourning the
is,
loss of her
please,
Like, he
please,
goes
please,
back.
please.
to the places
Sundin
that they
nyo
used to go
yung
together.
arrangement ng song. Pakinggan nyo kung paano siya
She's got a
naka-arrange.
flower in her hair.
Don't skip.
We wouldn't
Please.
dare.
Don't skip.
Why would we dare?
Listen dun sa songs kung paano siya naka-arrange, okay? Thank you. Thank
He's
you
so
much.
handsome.
I'm so excited. 15 minutes na lang. 14 minutes na lang. Yes. Okay. Okay. Ayun pala. Hindi ko pa nasabi kanina. So, this 12 midnight, the EP will be dropped. But, mamayang 12 noon, we will be posting the lyric video of all the songs na nasa
I think that was a good idea to
mamayang
post lyric
12 noon,
videos. I quite
ipopost
like lyric
namin
videos, you know, even if they
yung
don't have
mga
English
lyric
subs or whatever.
video.
I just like it.
And sobrang excited ako sa lyric video kasi grabe naman yung mga pinagagawa kasi ni ano eh. Yan, si Miko, yung nanonood dito, yung Miko Del Rosario. Pakabangis eh. Pakabangis. Thank you, Miko ah. Pag napanood yung lyric video, ganda. Angas ni Miko eh. Thank you, Miko ah. You're the best. Mamayang 12 noon, popost namin yung mga lyric video. Okay, another from at is underscore me underscore pay. Based sa poster, hinaharangan ni Stel si ate girl kasi gusto niya siya mauna sa slide. Grabe ka, Stel. Ano ba yon? Possible naman. Pwede naman. Pwede. Oo nga. Baka nga gusto niyang mauna at hinaharangan ko siya. Time check, it's 11:47. 13 minutes left, guys.
I think that she died, guys.
Sa EP ko. Sabi ni at Red May, bakit pala Room yung name ng EP mo? Well, syempre nag-release na ako ng first song na Room and I feel like kasi parang yung Room naman talaga is dun din nag-start yung idea na bakit din Room yung title ng song. Kasi, like, in-explain ko na before na parang every time naman when I perform, parang tinakabahan ako, ang dami kong questions and may doubts ako with myself and with my skill. But, every time I deep dive and go inside me, dun sa specific room na yun, yung room na yun, dun ko na-feel yung confidence ko, mas doon ko na-feel yung totoo nga ko, mas doon ko na-express yung sarili ko, yung totoo ako. So, with all that idea, naisip ko na gawin na ring Room yung
It makes sense.
EP. Kasi yung songs na yon, it describes how confident I am sa skill ko and how confident I am doon sa mga bagay na ginagawa ko. And inaalam ko hanggang ngayon, which is trying different genre ng songs, working with other known artists talaga, working with a lot of people na willing akong matutunan kung ano yung mga gusto nilang ituro sa akin. Parang ganun ba? Parang yung room, it's all about me and how I express myself. Kaya naging room na rin yung pangalan ng EP. Just to, share everything na mga na-experience ko habang ako'y nandito. Yes. Okay, 11 minutes left. Grabe, sobrang exciting. Sana na-explain ko na maayos. Ha? Excited din ako sa chill songs mo in the future. Same time, Miss Reg. Pinaka-favorite ko yung low-key album niya. Actually, yun nga yung mga excited din ako i-try yung mga different genres talaga ng music. But, I think mas kailangan ko muna hanapin yung sound distel.
True.
Sino kasama ko? Si Turay mo.
It's cute.
Very Bruno Mars ang vibes ni Classic. Talaga ba? Tingnan natin kung ganun pa rin yung mafe-feel mo once you hear the song fully. Sabi ni Uba ni Stel, grabe naman. Stel, if there is one thing from the past na di mo nasabi at if may chance ngayon, ano yun? Past na di ko nasabi before? Mahirap naman nun. Kung may mga... Actually, ang dami kong mga pinagsisisihan na hindi ko ginawa before.
Like?
But, I don't think masasabi ko siyang pinagsisihan kasi...
Just wasn't the right time.
I guess kaya rin ako nandito ngayon kasi isa rin yung part na yun kung bakit hindi ko siya nagawa is naka-ready ako for this. Parang ganun. Kasi kung sabihin ko pinagsisihan kung hindi ko siya ginawa before, possible na nag-change yung nangyayari sa akin ngayon. Kung ginawa ko siya before, yung bagay na yun, baka iba yung
I love that he's a
destiny ko
believer
ngayon,
of
ganun. Siguro nangyari yung
destiny
dapat
and
mangyari before kasi
kind of things being
ito
in a
yung dapat
particular
mangyari
order or
ngayon.
place.
Gets ba? Gets ba?
Totally.
Basta yun, siguro. Ano oras na? Uy, malapit na! 9 minutes na lang, guys.
I guess in a way him being unwell is almost a blessing because I don't know about you, when you're unwell, I don't really have any feelings.
Pakinggan ko. Ako.
But I don't really feel nervous. Like your whole system is a bit upside down, so I don't really feel nervous. I don't really feel sick. I just
8 minutes na lang. Ayan,
you're just there, trying to breathe. But I bet he did not sleep on
guys,
this
na pala
night.
sa mga inaantok na you can sleep
As
na.
if.
Especially dun sa mga may pasok tomorrow.
As if.
Yeah, sabay-sabay natin pakinggan.
Oh, poor dog
So
getting
excited kayo,
tired.
guys. Oh. Saan nyo i-drop? Spotify? Yes, Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, sa lahat ng mga music platforms. Okay. Anong meaning behind your logo?
Oh, good question.
Sabi ni Nix. Actually, if you notice, yung logo ko, yung monogram, ganun siya, di ba? Dalawang S yun. Dalawang S na ginanon lang, na pinag-cross. Bakit dalawang S? Gemini ako, guys. I have 2 personalities. Baka nakakalimutan nyo.
As if we could
So, yung
forget.
dalawang S na yun, that's Stel and Stel na ginanon lang. Oh, di ba? That's me. I'm a Gemini. Don't forget, I'm a Gemini. I have 2 personalities. So, ang personality ni Stel is the one you love and the one that you really, 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 really love.
How did he know? How did he know? I feel so seen.
Pero yan. Yun. Yung monogram, dalawang S yun. Dalawang S lang na magka-cross.
It's pretty ridiculous that he
Sabi
just said
ni
that.
Kanako
He's so
Bea,
right.
kung may relatable sa songs mo right now, ano yon at bakit? Kung may relatable, ang hirap naman. Oh my God. Kasi lahat naman kasi, ako hindi naman sa masyado akong nag-bibibo-bibo dito. I feel like yung mga songs talaga na nandun sa EP, para sa akin talaga, like lahat tugma talaga, like with the story of my life, searching for the right, mga but it keeps avoiding me. Hindi, yung song talaga, sobrang tulad nung yung Room. Anino, bagay din sa sa sinabi kong story na gusto ko sa sinabi ko kay Pablo. Yung classic, sobrang, pag narinig yung, ano yung umpisa nun? Like conversation. Late at night. Oh! Underneath the in my mind. Basta, pag narinig ko talaga mamaya yung songs. Basta yung songs talaga, masasabi ko. Parang dito. Parang ewan na dito. So sabi ni Chels, ang monogram ko ay si Stel at si Self. Late night conversations. Tama ba yung lyrics ko? Parang mari-lyrics ko sa kanta ko. Whispered conversations late at night underneath the covers in my mind.
Go away. Oh my gosh.
Stel, kausapin mo nga si Self mamaya. Sabi ni Elle, Stel, paano kung si girl ang nagtapat sa'yo? Anong magiging reaction mo? Ganon.
Let's do it, girls. At every given opportunity, let's do it. I need to see that face again.
Whispered conversation late at night. Yun na, lumalabas na yung isang Stel. Lumalabas
So
na yung
true.
isang S. 5 minutes na lang. 4 minutes na lang, guys. 4 minutes na lang. At idodrop ko na ang bomb.
It is a bomb.
Idodrop ko na ang aking utot.
What? This really is the other
Yung si
personality.
Danel, he's watching. Hi, Danel! Ulit ng reaction. Ganon. Malapit na mag-drop yung EP, guys. 4 minutes na lang. From Roms at Part Fairy is the storyline of Di Ko Masabi MV is based on your real experience. Mananatili po akong tahimik dahil ang mga sasabihin ko ay maaaring gamitin laban sa akin.
What does that
Hindi po ako
mean?
pwede magsalita dahil ang mga bagay na pwede kong sabihin ay maaaring gamitin laban sa akin at maaaring gamitin upang
I don't understand.
Hindi ko maalala, Your Honor.
I feel like that's a yes. Also, I just really love that he really tried to contain himself and be professional.
Bumabalik na ang dating
But it's wearing off
Ay, wow,
now.
so nagbago ako. Grabe naman. Kanina low-key lang ako kasi barado yung ilong ko. Tsaka pag
Yeah.
tumawa ko ng sobra, uubuhin ako eh. Asia's Kettle. Yeah. Guys, 3 minutes na lang. And magdadrop na po yung aking EP. Sana po pakinggan nyo. Sabay-sabay po ba nating papakinggan? Kung gusto nyo pakinggan, say, oh! Ayaw nyo ata eh. Hi, Kay. Kay is watching. Hi, Kay. Gusto nyo ba pakinggan natin ang aking EP sabay-sabay? Kung gusto nyo, say, oh! Ayaw nyo talaga. Guys, 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes. Paano pala papakinggan yung EP? Okay. Two minutes na lang, guys. Magtanong pa kayo. Tanong kayo na habang
In
wala
2
pang
minutes?
12 midnight. Okay, meron pang isa. Sabi ni Zumi at Zumiken, Stel, bakit napili mo August to i-release ng EP mo? Kasi ito lang yung available date. Kasi ito na yung available date talaga, mga be. Ito na lang. Kasi kung meron pang available date, i-move ko talaga. Para sabay lang yung music video. Kaya lang, ito na kasi yung available eh. Ito lang yung workable for me. Sa totoo lang. Para ano, para kasya
Look,
yung
it worked for us.
kasya
I quite
yung
like having the whole
dates
album
and
for a while
calendar
before we
for-
get the goods,
for
you
the
know,
whole
like the
group.
music video and stuff.
Para maghati-hati kami sa scheduling, di ba? Kaya August 2. Pasensya na kung sumabay sa ibang lakad nyo. Pasensya na kung sumabay sa birthday mo. Pasensya na kung sumabay sa birthday ng mama mo, ng papa mo. Pasensya na kung sinabayan ko yung importanteng
This
milestone ng buhay
is
mo.
an
Pero
important
milestone ko na rin
milestone.
to eh. Siyempre buhay ko to. Okay, 1 minute na lang, 1 minute left. Last question from Rob0401 Berry. Stel, sa 3 minutes before mag-drop ang EP mo, 1 minute na lang. Yung mga hindi mo nasabi, ano yung mga hindi mo nasabi sa amin?
That's a lot.
Ano ba yung mga hindi ko nasabi? Yung mga hindi ko nasabi sa inyo, yun yung mga bawal sabihin. Kasi nga, bawal. Kaya hindi ko masasabi. But, every time naman, nakausap ko kayo, sinasabi ko sa inyo yung mga bagay-bagay. Kasi, I'm an open book, I'm an open door, I'm an open room. So, lahat naman nasi-share ko sa inyo. So guys, it's already 12! Pwede nyo na po pakinggan ang aking EP, Room, sa inyo mga favorite music streaming platforms. It's already 12 a.m. Yeah! Ano yan, walang kandila. It's already 12 midnight. Pwede na po natin pakinggan. Yay!
Oh, they did. This is
Congratulations to
so
me.
cute.
Cake na walang candle. Ang galing ka. Na-surprise ako. Masa-surprise ako sa candle nyo na kahit anong ihip ko, hindi siya mamamatay. Hindi siya mamamatay talaga, guys.
This is super
Pwede ba itusok
cute.
yung Xiaomi phone ko dito? Oh, sige. Ihipan ko daw. Paano ba to? 1, 2, 3. Oh, namatay. Thank you.
That was too cute.
Ayan na, out na siya, guys. Pwede nyo na
And then he should just like face plant the cake. No?
EP Boom sa inyong mga favorite streaming platforms, Spotify, Apple Music, ano ba ba? Lahat, pwede pakinggan. Refresh nyo lang. Ayan. Pwede na pakinggan? Sige. Ano una na ipapakinggan? Sabi natin, susundin natin eh. Dapat tayo sumunod. Ako yung nagsabi. Siyempre, Room una. Siyempre, Room una tayo. Samahan nyo akong pakinggan ng aking EP, guys.
Really?
Room muna tayo.
No,
Room.
he's only gonna.
Play nyo yung Room.
He's not gonna listen to everything with
Hey.
us.
As soon as I said wouldn't try to make myself alive, I see your eyes, they good in mine. Happens all the time. Then you tell me I can't get you off my mind. I oh my. Come and get inside, let's talk about it in my room. Hey, hope you're ready, cause I'm gonna listen to what I'm about to say. You will find the answer. This energy that's within me might be too much to take. So pretty. I see me flow in your body.
Don't you just wish you could get inside his
Nag-aalis
brain
na sila kasi nakikinig sila ngayon eh.
to see like what he
Oh.
thinks of his own voice?
Pero because we're not in a hurry. Sabi nila, alis ka na. Sabi nila, alis ka na kasi gusto nila pakinggan. Can you read the room? Can you read the room?
I just love this
Thank you po.
real
Thank you guys.
relationship
Congratulations sa
with
inyo.
SB19.
Congrats po sa aming lahat.
We literally can just say stuff to them and it's like a real relationship.
Mga taong tumulong and bumubuo ng EP na ito, of course. Swansea family, SB19, my friends, my family, Warner Music PH, Max, sino pa ba? Mr. C, Brad Kids, Pablo and Josue, sino pa ba? Dami ko na ito salamatan. Max and his team, thank you so much. Warner all over the world. Sino pa ba?
Yourself?
Dami ko dapat pasalamatan, friends, everything. Maraming salamat po. So, yeah. Oo, feeling ko, akalis na ako para mapakinggan nila yung EP na masaya. So guys, hindi ko na kayo guguluhin at hindi ko na kayo sasamahan makinig ng EP.
It would have been quite cool if he had, right?
Aalis na ako para mas mapakinggan nyo yung EP na
He should have
kayo
done
lang.
like a
Basta
station head
please,
thing.
pakinggan nyo kung paano siya naka-arrange. Yeah, so yeah. Papakinggan ko rin yung buong EP ko. But, yeah, mag-interact na lang ako sa social media. Kaya again, thank you guys so much. Sana po ay samahan nyo ako sa mga next kong ganap. Sana magkita-kita po tayo. And again, thank you guys so much for supporting me all the way from the start until now. Maraming salamat po from day 1 hanggang ngayon. Sinusuportahan nyo ako. So maraming salamat po. And after nyo po pakinggan, kung gusto na lang po tayo sa mga aking social media accounts or pwede na po kayo matulog after. So yeah. Again, thank you so much. This has been cover tayo ng New Music Friday.
Oh, cool.
Wow, this mini. Number 3. Oo nga, number 3 yung di ko masabi. Wow. Wow.
Already?
That is me. This is me. Again, guys, thank you so much. Have a great night and listen to my song. Stream nyo po. Maraming salamat. Good night, guys. Goodbye. Thank you so much. I love you. Good night. Have a great night. Good night. Bye-bye.
And that's it. I have caught up with Stell's Room EP antics. For now, I am eagerly waiting for the drop of Diko Misabi's music video. Really looking forward to him taking on that leading man role and hopefully getting some emotional acting from him. I mean, if that song is not just a huge piece in itself, we're going to get a music video that is going to have one hell of a story. And either way, if he gets that happy ending or not, I'm going to be a complete mess. That is one thing that you can guarantee from this, and I really look forward to being able to watch it with all of you. And it's just really nice to be able to catch up on these lives, so thank you once again to Estella Pressa for uploading both parts and for subbing them. It's just nice to be able to spend time with him, and I really love that he can't contain his real self for too long. Like, he can control it, he can try and make this all business, but it's not possible. The Gemini in him, like, he flipped. Partway through this, he flipped, and I love it so much fun. And I see already that there has been another IG live, him and Jar did that one, and that's already uploaded and subbed, and I will 100% be watching that with you as well. I'm really looking forward to that, but obviously that is for their other song, and I'm just really grateful that he chooses to do these and that he chooses to spend this kind of time in the run-up to him releasing stuff with us, because he could just literally like release stuff and just, I don't know, catch up with us the next day. But the fact that he did this and he spread it out across TikTok and IG just says everything about him. And he's just so incredibly humble. That moment where he says, talk to me about the album, like, you know, like tag me or give me feedback and I'll read it, and he really just takes everything on board. So then do you understand when I say that these are real people in my life? Because like, he'll give me advice and I will take it, and that's not just him, that is across all members. Like, I truly believe that Josh Cullen is my role model in life, and he will say stuff and he will make me see things in a really different way, and then I will come across like an issue or a problem, and I will be like, how would JC approach this? Like, literally, that might sound incredibly cringe, but that is literally what I do. These boys have had such a positive impact on me as a human being that it's unforgettable, the bond and the connection that I feel like I have with them now, supporting them all the way. And I had a very, very upsetting period of Billboard fan army voting. It will not give me that link, and I must have refreshed various different browsers and incognito modes, VPN, this and that, and it says you have already reached your maximum amount, and I have not. I swear somebody is out to get us, but don't worry, I have not given up. I managed to put some votes in today. I will continue to try it. You just have to be persistent, because I'm not taking no for an answer. I do not care. We are going to get through to the next round. Thank you so much for watching this with me. Do talk to me about Stell during this live. I really felt bad for him, because you could tell that he's so bunged up with this rotten cold, and you just want him to like take time out and go and rest. But obviously, he doesn't want to do that because he wants to spend time with us. Love him so much. Thanks so much for watching it with me. I hope that you had fun, and until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.